What is Flutter? Flutter is a UI toolkit for creating fast, beautiful, native, compliant mobile application with the one programming language and single code base. And also it is an open source developer framework developed by Google, and Flutter is not a language, it is a SDK, and also it is used to develop cross-platform applications like Android, iOS, Linux, macOS, Windows, and Google, and for web from a single code base. And also, what is Dart? Dart is used in the Flutter framework, and also the Dart is the general purpose object-oriented programming language with C-style syntax, and also it is developed by Google in 2011, and also it used to combine both AOT and JIT. Let's move on to the what is Flutter widget. In Flutter app is always considered as a tree of widgets. In here, when you are going the code for building anything in Flutter, it will be inside the widget. And also widget describes how your app you should look like with the current configuration and state. And also, for example, widget can display something, can define design, and can handle interaction and etc. This is an example of Flutter widget and how it works. Please go through and get some knowledge. In here, when you add to the cart, it add to the my list item, and my list item added to the cart, like that. In here, there are several widgets, stateful and stateless widgets. Stateful widget has state information, and also stateful widget is referred to as a dynamic because it can change the inner data during the widget lifetime. And all stated does not have any state information, and it remains static throughout the life cycle. The example of stateless widgets are text, row, columns, and containers, and etc. The stateful and stateless widgets. There are some of the examples for stateful widgets: checkbox, radio button, and text field, and also for the stateless widget, text, icon button, and raise button. In here, when we call the set state, the set stateful widgets are what is in Fuchsia YAML file. It is a project configuration file that consists with the some of the details such as the name, description, and version of the project, and also it has the project dependencies, and also it has the asset configurations, what are the asset parts, images, and other things, and also it is overall known as the project configuration file. What it has is the containing this project. Let's move into the what are the differences between packages and plugins. The package is a group of similar types of classes and interfaces and subclasses. Package and plugins help to build the app without having to develop everything from the packages. Packages have new components that are code written in the pure Dart language. In plugins, we use get the more functionality for the device by using the native code. These are some of the advantages of using Flutter. It has cross-platform development, tooling and support. It has many debugging facilities, and also hot reloading and interface development. And also, when we compare, these are the some of the React Native versus the Flutter. And also, React Native was developed by Facebook, and Flutter was developed by Google. Language is JavaScript and Dart. These are the some of the companies use React Native and Flutter. Let's explain what is hot reload and hot restart. The hot reload is the feature allows you to quickly and easily perform the experiment in the project. And when you build new components and fix bugs, they get many advantages of the hot reload. In hot restart is faster as compared to the full restart function, and also it makes more time as compared to the hot reload, but take less time than the full restart function. Let's look at what are the different build modes. Debug is used for development mode when you want to hot reload and other debugging features. Profile mode is used to design the and analyze your app while testing, and release mode designed to get your app ready for the Play Store app and App Store. Let's move on to what is build context. Build context is the locator that used to track each widget in tree and locate them and their position in tree. The build context of each widget is passed to their build method. Each build context is a unique data to widget. We mainly use it to get a reference to another widget. As an simply main, build context is the what is the widget location in the widget tree. Let's move on to the types of test in Flutter. It has unit test, widget and test and integration test. Unit test checks the single function, method or class, and also the widget test used for component tests and in other frameworks to single widget, and also integration test is checks the complete apps or large part of an app. If you have any questions, please comment on the video, like and subscribe if you learn anything from the channel. Thank you. I am Siddhi.